This is to help one of my friends. If this helps anyone else, very cool. But this is supposed to be for a friend. It's a tutorial for resizing on GIMP, I suppose, of an image. This is also for Roblox, so that's another thing. Okay, so how the hell you're supposed to do this? Well, it's kind of simple in my opinion to get it onto this, kinda. You get this image of your said thing. You try to get the area that you want, like around here. You get it around here. Yeah, that'll work. Hit Control C, go to your current space that you're working on, because that's where you're going to. And then you Control V that shiz right on there. Kaboom. Delete that. And then you hit the scale button that's right here. I'm pretty sure you can see that because I have my cursor enabled. Do that, and if you want to make sure your image loses the least amount of quality, you go to linear, so that it kind of makes it so it doesn't lose too much of its quality. And then you go and click, and then it'll do this. It'll show you the resizing and everything. If you want to resize it to your space, you can either do this, and if you hold Control, you can resize it like this. Ooh, very fancy. You can also do it this way too. Wow. If you hold Shift, it'll do it in one direction for every direction. But if you let go of every button, you can do it freely as you like. And you put it here, just about where you want to have the line. So this way it'll make it all conjoined together when you're gonna make it on the other sides and stuff. I do it this way because it looks better. And in my opinion, if you have the lines like in between these spots, you can actually kind of see them on your avatar. So I do it this way. Then you try and fit it, and I have the X's so you can see the center. And then you try and fit it as close as you want. I don't want this white that's right here, so I'm gonna get rid of that and size it this way. Press scale, and then it's scaled to the way that it is. You see how the quality of it isn't too bad. It looks fine the way it is. You can duplicate it, and you hit your flip button. Actually, before we do that, you gotta go boop, hit your square button. Make sure you're in the center right here. Press delete, and boom, you have that part gone. Duplicate that, flip it, shebang, shaboom, and then you got it. Wow, look at that. I mean, I could have sized that better. I could have sized it down here. That's kind of, I'm probably going to redo this. This is just an example. And yeah, it's pretty simple. And you can do that for the rest around here. You hit your rectangle, a boop. You could delete any little like seam you see that's right there. And yeah. There you go. You have your resized thing. This looks a little meh, I guess. Probably look better than that. But that's my resize tutorial for a friend.